Oh. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? I hope that this works. It doesn't seem loud enough. Do I need to be further away? Hello? Oh, I need to talk right in the... This is a little bit of a tester. Well, I'll show you today in my craft room. In the delivery from Amazon, I got some new paints. And there's lots of good colors. And it's called Nick Pro Acrylic. I have to remember to talk right into this microphone. So I don't know how that's going to be, but I hope it's good. So until I get my regular microphones figured out, hopefully this comes through loud and clear. All right, signing out for now. I'm going to get this organized, and me and my Andrew are probably going to do the next paint that you see. Okay, bye.